Deep in the realms of Mother Nature, tapping into these natural organic vibrations, receiving some pure organic energy, cleansing my aura, washing away the toxic energy from the concrete jungle of society and man-made waves, and tapping into these natural waves, these natural frequencies, this green, this brown, this Mother Nature. I'm in tune with this peace and this love. Step into Mother Nature and receive these good vibrations. Eliminate the pain, the hate, the toxic energy, the demons, and get in tune and heal. Peace, light, and love.